Are you ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence? In 2024, there are a plethora of AI websites that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this groundbreaking technology. Whether you're a novice or an expert in AI, these top 5 AI websites are must-know destinations for anyone interested in the field. First on our list is OpenAI. Known for their cutting-edge research and development in AI, OpenAI is a hub for accessing the latest advancements and resources in the field. From their informative blog posts to their interactive AI demos, OpenAI is a valuable resource for staying up to date with the ever-evolving world of AI. Next, we have TensorFlow. As one of the most popular machine learning platforms, TensorFlow offers a wide range of tools and resources for AI enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to brush up on your skills with their extensive library of educational materials or dive into their collaborative community forums, TensorFlow is a go-to destination for anyone looking to expand their AI knowledge. Third on our list is IBM Watson. With a focus on AI for business applications, IBM Watson is a go-to resource for professionals looking to integrate AI into their work. From their AI-powered solutions to their in-depth case studies, IBM Watson provides valuable insights into how AI is revolutionizing industries. Moving on, we have MIT CSAIL. As a leader in AI research, MIT CSAIL offers a wealth of knowledge and resources for those looking to dive deep into the technical aspect of AI. From their research papers to their informative lectures, MIT CSAIL is a must-know destination for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve in AI advancements. Finally, we have NVIDIA. Known for their high-performance computing technology, NVIDIA is a powerhouse in the AI world. With their AI-focused hardware and software solutions, NVIDIA is a valuable resource for anyone looking to build and deploy AI applications. In conclusion, these top 5 AI websites are essential for anyone looking to stay informed, educated, and inspired in the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about the future of AI, these websites are must-know destinations in 2024.